Hello. This is this is Callum Price, also known as Amnestic 45. Uh I'm just annoyed because there's a noob on YouTube. In fact, he or she is an illiterate swine who doesn't know how to use a flipping spell checker, and her his name is called abduels. She she's a she's a possible vegan, but I don't know. She can't tell us to change our blooming lifestyle. And yeah, I was trying to loading something from UCAM for Cyberlink UCAM, and I couldn't do so. So yeah, this is a sort of re-record, but with less colourful language. So yeah, I'll try and get that uploaded as soon as the blooming problem's gone. Yeah, so um, it's a noob, and the problem. Why is she a noob? You ask. One, she harasses Rommers. Two, she is an electric swine. She doesn't know how to use a spell checker. Three, she blatantly does she's telling us to change our blooming lifestyle. I mean, I'm happy as an omnivore, not a blooming more vegan. I mean, I need to get a lot of good stuff from from stuff that I like onions, pork, and tomatoes, veg. No, not Brussels sprouts. No, seriously. Yesterday they gave me fart. They gave me the gas. Anyway, I prefer stuff like that. So yeah, I think everyone should just ignore outdoors because he or she is a noob and an illiterate swine, and just get on with romming. That's all. That's all. That's all. Bye, guys. I'm going to get on to World of Warcraft. Peace and goodwill to all men. Have a good Christmas and a happy New Year.